Good evening. I request everyone to respond. Please confirm. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear? So that we will start the session. Yeah, very good evening. Sir, in the last videos, we covered up to LBP number 60, I think so. Now, in the next session, that is 61, we need to talk. So, what is this 61? Sir, very simple. We have to determine the color of a chessboard. Okay, so we have to find out the color of the chessboard. Beyond that, nothing is there. So you have given coordinates like sir, a square of the chessboard. Below is the chessboard for your reference. Of course, we will see that image. It will be interpreted in the hacker rank challenges page. You can able to see there. And we have to return true, capital T, if the square is in white. So inside the chessboard, if you are given the coordinates, okay, if that coordinates is pointing that particular white means we have to return true. If it is black means we have to return false. So the coordinate will always represent a valid chessboard square. So the coordinate will always have a letter first and the number second. And the length also they have given only 2 characters should be there. What is the first one? A value should be less than or equal to first character H. So the first character should be A to H. The second character is nothing but 1 to 8. We know chessboard means how many rows, how many columns will be there? 8 rows, 8 columns. Okay, total 64 cells will be there. Now they are going to give the identification location. Suppose if A1 means we have to determine what is the color. Okay, if it is white, then we have to return true, else we have to return false. So nothing, first we will see so how you can able to implement that. But before that we need to analyze, right? So for that purpose I am going to open that link and let us see that image, sir. Okay, then only we will get the clarity. Yeah, sir, we have chessboard is there. So first color is a black, like this we have. So let me take this chessboard as it is. But I don't want to take 8 by 8. Simply I will take 4 by 4 chessboard. That means how many rows will be there? 4 rows and then 4 columns. Let it be first row. Let it be second row. Let it be third row and fourth row. And here also first column, sir, second column, third column and fourth column. Like this we have. Now, sir, I want to mix up with some colors. So what is they have taken? Black color, right? Black color. Alternate. Oh, sorry. Somewhere the problem is there here. 1 minute. Maybe that link is not completed. Yeah. Yes. Now alternative colors we have to take. So this is nothing but 8 by 8. Sorry, 4 by 4 chessboard, right? 4 columns, 4 rows. Like this I have taken. Sir, consider this is 0th location, not 0, I think so. They have started from 1, it seems, right? Let me open that chessboard. Yes, A. They have taken this one as a and this one as a B, C, D, and so on up to F will be there. And it will become 1, 2, so 3, 4 like this. So they are giving input as a A1. A1 means which color, sir? Black. If it is the black, they are expecting true, right? Yes. Suppose if I are giving A2, what color it is? White. So we have to return false. Like this we have to implement the program. I think please confirm the concept is clear for you people. I think so, right? Please confirm. Any doubts on this concept, sir? Please confirm. Any doubts on this concept? Clear, right? Okay, okay. True for white. Okay, okay. Maybe reverse. No issues. Okay. Yeah. Sir, if you think logically, there are some loopholes are there. Based on that, we can take. Sir, I am taking this particular address. A means I will consider it as let it be 1. So B means I will consider it as 2. C means I will consider it as 3. D means I will consider it as 4. Observe carefully. 1 1 means we are getting black color. Sir, 1 3 means we are getting black color. Sir, 1 2 if you are getting white color. Sir, 1 4 we are getting white color. That means if both the colors are okay, if both are same kind of digits, that is even digits. Okay, so here you can able to see, sir, 2 and then 2 black color. So 2 and then 4 black color. 3 and then 1 black color. 3 and then 3 black color. 4 and then 2 black color. 4 and then 4 black color. So if first argument, second argument, both are even means which color we are getting? Black. Otherwise, white. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, otherwise nothing, right? So like this I am trying to implement, sir. Let me check whether it is going to work or not. But some twist is there here, because we need to accept the data in the form of a string. So first we have to accept the data in the form of a string. Character s of maybe assume 10. Then compulsory we required 2 pointers, x and then y, because even though we have data in the form of a string, we have to convert it into integer, then only we can able to work. I accepted the string. So what is the first value? X is equal to s of 0 minus 96 I am taking. Because suppose if a first character is a, so what is our expected answer? 1, right? So a ASCII value is 97. 97 minus 96 means we will get 1 or not? Yes. In that style I am trying to apply. Okay. Then y is equal to, directly I am taking s of 1, because we are higher data type is integer. It will be typecasted to integer automatically. Now simple formula. If x percentage 2 is not equal to y percentage 2. So because when we have to get black color, observe carefully, return true if the square is white. So white means what? 1 and then 2, opposite directions should be there. That means if x by x percentage 2 is not equal to y percentage 2, then I am printing true. Okay, else I am going to print false. I am going to print false. Let me run the code and we will check how it is going to work. Yes, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to implement this in C language. And I want to implement the same concept in Java, right? Let me see how you can able to implement in Java. Of course, the concept is the same. Of course, the concept is the same. Just I'm going for Java implementation. So what is the first step? We have to read the input. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. Then what is our next requirement? So string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking, because we need to accept in the form of string only. Integer x is equal to s dot char at of 0th location minus 96. Anyway, higher type is integer, automatic promotion will be there. So integer y is equal to s dot char at of 1 I am taking. Okay, s dot char at of 1 I am taking. It is there in the running notes top. Please check again I am telling. So LBP link, hacker rank link is available at the top of our running notes. Clear, Ahmad? I think you have written a mail to admin team, right? Please check, it is available at the top of our running notes. Yeah, if you want, you have to ask me. Okay, don't ask admin team. So because they don't know, right? We are giving our own content. Okay, yeah. So let me see how we are going to implement in Java. So integer y is equal to, sir, we converted the second character. Now what is our requirement? So if x percentage 2 is not equal to y percentage 2, then we have to print them. I think this is also not required. Directly we can write within SOP, because it is going to return true or false or right. Yes, system.out.println of the entire thing I am taking. So what will happen? It will return either true or false. Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the remaining test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but what we have. So let me go for Python implementation. And let us see how we can able to solve this problem in Python. The scenario is the same or not? Yes, s is equal to input I am taking, x is equal to, but we don't have any direct promotions, right? We have to use ORD function to convert the given number into ordinal value. Similarly, y is equal to, so ORD of s of 1 is sufficient. So we will get original values. Okay, then I'm going to check. So print of, okay, I need to print true. So when, if x percentage 2 is equal to, is not equal to y percentage 2. So else we have to print the message saying false. That's all. Let me run the code. Yes, submit the code for final approval. So this is the way how you can able to solve this problem. Hope it is very clear for you people. So do you have any doubts in this challenge, friends? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this, please confirm. I request every student to please respond. Are you there? Yeah. Sir, let me go for the next challenge. What we have here is, sir, very, very important. Listen carefully. Why we need to take ASCII value for y? In Python, you are asking. Yeah. Otherwise, you can take int. Int is also sufficient, because suppose if you take a, what is a ASCII value? 97. What is ASCII value of b? 98. Anyway, we are going to get even number or odd number itself, because a, if you take 1, you have to consider it is odd number. 2, we are going to consider it is a even number. In that point of view, I have used it. Otherwise, you can go with int. Then we will get the original value itself. Durga. Clear? Yeah. Sir, next, very important. Core concept is very difficult. So try to understand, sir. Find bomb. Find bomb. So we have to search for the word called bomb. Okay, we have to search for the word called bomb. Sir, it is very difficult. Try to understand. So we have to write a function that finds the word called bomb in the given string, not a case sensitive. And we have to return the word called duck if the bomb is found. That means that particular word is available means we have to return found. Otherwise, we have to print the message saying, relax, there is no bomb. How to do this activity? How to do this activity? Sir, very simple. Observe carefully. We have to implement in C language. Of course, somewhat difficult process, sir. C language implementation is a difficult process. Try to analyze. Okay. Yes. Some sample test cases are there here. You can able to analyze. Some sample test cases are there. You have to analyze. So there is a bomb. What message we have to get? That word is available, right? So I am printing duck. So what is the second input? Hey, did you think there is a bomb? Yes, it is available. That word bomb is there. Hence, we have to return duck. Any other input? So this goes boom. Here, there is no word called bomb. So we have to print relax, there is no bomb. Like this. In the string, the word called bomb is available or not, we have to check. Beyond that, nothing is there. So in Java and Python, it is very easy, sir. Okay. But in C language, very difficult. Try to understand. Character, I am taking S1 of 100. Okay. So S2 is equal to, I am taking the word called bomb. Initially, I initialized. So now we have a group of characters. That's why I'm taking, so cap of /n and then yes. The complete string it is going to read. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing is what? Sir, some integer variables may be required, I and then j to run the loop. Yes, length is also required, k is also required. And initially I am taking found is equal to 0. Found is equal to 0 means what? Sir, I am fixing that element is not available. Okay, I am considering that element is not available in my string. So then we will write algorithm. Okay, suppose if that word is available, we will return true. Otherwise, we are going to return false. Okay, let us see how we are going to do. Sir, please make sure the data, whatever you have given, it may contain lowercase letters or uppercase letters. Better to convert this into lowercase so that our search will become very easy, right? Okay, that's why. So for I is equal to 0, okay, s1 of I plus plus, every character I am taking. If the given character s1 of I is greater than or equal to capital A, and s1 of I is less than or equal to capital Z, then I am taking s1 of I is equal to s1 of I plus 32. I am trying to convert that particular character into lowercase, because the ASCII value for small a is nothing but 65. The ASCII value for capital A is nothing but 97. So if you add 32, then only we are going to get the next character. Okay. Next, what is our requirement? Sir, I am finding the length. Length is equal to strlen of s2. Second string length I am finding. What is the length of the second string? Sir, it is a fixed word, 4. Okay. Now we have to find out whether that particular element, that is a particular word called bomb, is available or not. Sir, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Up to this, do you have any doubts? I told already several times, /n is used to read the complete data. Suppose if input is like this, if you are not using slash n, what will happen? It will take only lower. So if any space value is encountered means it will stop reading the data. To read complete sentence till new line character encounters, we have to use this scanf. Clear, Sufyan? Yes. Okay. 1 minute, please wait. Hello. Yes. So what is the next thing that we have here is, sir, characters are ready. I converted to lowercase also, and we have length is there. Now we have to start comparison. For I is equal to 0, observe carefully. S1 of I plus plus. I am selecting the characters one by one. Now I am taking k is equal to I, just for pointer purpose, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Now suppose if you are having first character, I will take one example, then it will become very easy for you. Okay, assume, so hey, bomb is there, like this. So once if you convert this into lowercase characters, what will happen? So hey, bomb is there, like this we are going to get. Now you have to search for the word called which word, sir? BOMB, bomb. Now I am taking 0th location. That means which character? This character. That is nothing but 0th location. I copied to k. So now k will become what, sir? 0. Now, so for j is equal to 0, okay, j less than length j plus plus. Okay, so what will be the value of j? J will be, sir, 0, j will be 1, so 2, 3, up to 4 times it is going to run. Okay, every time I am checking whether s1 of k is double equal to, sorry, is not equal to, s1 of k is not equal to s2 of j. Suppose if it is not equal, if it is not equal, then I am going to break the loop and I will take k plus plus. Sir, what is this loop? Very simple, sir. So I am going to compare s1 of k. S1 of k means what? This 0th location h. Is it equal to, okay, is it not equal to s2 of j? S2 of 0 means this one. Is it not equal? Yes. Then come out from this loop. No need to stay in this loop. Come out from this loop. So that means what? Sir, first character is not matched. Next, move the pointer. Next, move the pointer. Sir, it will move to this position. So 2. Is it matched? No. Sir, next third one. Is it matched? No. Next one, they are not matched. But here match found, right? So what will be the value of k? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. K will become 4. Sir, this B is equal with this B. True. So if it is true, that means this break won't happen, k plus plus. Now k will become what, sir? 5. So it will take 5th character and it will start comparing. Yes. K will become 6. So it will take 6th character and it will compare here. Yes. Sir, now B. Now comparison. Sir, total how many comparisons has been done? 4 comparisons. That means the value of j and the value of number of comparisons is equal, means this bomb word is available here. That's all. Very simple. So if the value of j is double equal to length, that means what? Yes, the data is available. You can able to assign found is equal to 1. Sir, finally I am going to print. So printf, what is the statement that we have to take? Sir, I need to take the condition saying, so found is double equal to 1. Found is double equal to 1 means then we have to print the message called duck. Else we have to print the message saying relax, comma, there is P capital or not. There is no bomb. Like this we have to print. Nothing but something like searching only, sir. So I taken the pointer for S1 and I am comparing with S2. If comparison is not happened, I am terminating, I am taking the next character. If a comparison is there, okay, if comparison is there, so what will happen? Yeah, 1 minute. So if comparison is not found, then we are terminating. If comparison is found, then we are continuing. Beyond that, nothing. Let me run the code. Compiler, lowercase, uppercase, something. Yes. Yes is undeclared. Oh my God. Yeah, I have taken S1. So, but I have taken it as yes. Okay, no problem. Now let me run. Yes, all the 3 test cases are passed successfully. And let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the remaining test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. But in Java and Python, it is very easy. How to implement in Java? Let me take the problem statement and let us go for Java implementation. I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. I am taking. So string S1 is equal to, or no need for S1, S is equal to obj dot next line, because we have some predefined methods are there. Very simple line. So S dot contains, if that string contains the word called sir bomb, okay, then it is going to return true. True means what? We have to print some message, right? So duck. If it is false, then we have to print relax. So there is no bomb. But please make sure you have to convert the data into lowercase to lowercase. Otherwise comparison won't be happen, because there are some inputs which are going to take in the length is equal to strlen of s2. S2 already in string. Why str? I'm not getting your question, Lokesh. Lokesh, what is your doubt? In C language implementation, length is equal to strlen of 2, s2. See, I am finding length of the s2. That is nothing but bomb length. Because those many times only we have to run. Otherwise, remove this line and replace here strlen of s2. Okay. Yeah. So this one. No. Yeah. Please post the messages if you have any message in direct. Otherwise, some people may have personal questions. No problem. Sir, like this we have. So we have to check whether that particular word is available or not. In Java, we have one beautiful function is there with the name contains. So it will check whether the given string is available in the target string. If it is available, it will return the message called duck. If it is not available, it will return the message called false. So that means relax, there is no bomb. Like this we have to print. Let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? Yes, all the 3 test cases are passed. I think the final test cases also passed. Yes. So let me print and let me take Python implementation. we need to solve this program in which language, sir? Python. Let me select Python programming. So I am taking s is equal to input dot lower. I am taking, I am converting into lowercase. So how you can able to print directly? I think we can check. So print, so we have to print the message saying duck. So when we have to print this message, so if bomb is, if bomb in, okay, yes sir. Else we have to print the message saying relax, so there is no bomb. Like this we have to print. Let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? 1 minute, somewhere the spelling mistakes. Yeah, here quotation is not required. Yeah. So one test case is failed. Dot is there last, at last dot is there. Yeah, and submit the code. So you can able to see all the test cases has been passed successfully. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this one. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Case fold. I don't know about the case fold. I think it is a new year term. Is it same as lower case? Means one will be the deprecated and another will be normal. I will let you know, Lokesh. No. I have written personally. I have taken the normal. This hacker rank link is different, sir. Okay, it is not in JUnit. Yeah. Okay, sir. Now let me go for the next one. I think it is very easy. How many vowels are there? Okay, so we have to create a string that returns the number of vowels. I think no need to explain the logic. Directly we can go for implementation. Okay. Meanwhile, please post what are the vowels that are available in the strings, sir, please. Yeah, and I need to write implementation for that. So character, I'm taking yes of maximum 100. So scanf percentage yes comma yes. So integer count is equal to 0. I am taking. For each I is equal to 0, s of I character is available I plus plus. So if your s of I is double equal to a, or if your s of I is double equal to e, or your s of I is double equal to I, or if your s of I is double equal to a, e, I, o, u. Okay, if any one of this character found, then I am going to take a count plus plus. Finally, we have to print the value of count. So beyond that, nothing is there. I think no one is responding. Okay, no problem. So let us submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the test cases has been passed successfully. This is nothing but a C language implementation. And I need to go for Java implementation. So in Java also same, maximum same instructions, right? So just the conditions are going to be, I mean syntaxes are going to be changed. Beyond that, nothing will be there. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, I am taking system.in. So string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. integer I comma count is equal to 0. For each I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length, because here null character, such type of terminologies are not there. So I am checking if s dot, every time it is very difficult for me, better to capture that data. Okay, so if your ch is double equal to a or e, so I o u, if it is a e I o u, then we are going to increment counter plus plus. Finally, system dot out dot println of counter value. Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. So all the test cases are passed successfully. Now let me go for Java Python implementation. So in Python, we can write a short code also. Of course, we don't have any predefined tools, but just we can reduce the instructions. S is equal to, I am taking input, and the count is equal to initially 0 for each I in string 1 by 1 character. If I is in AEIOU or AEIOU, then I'm going to check count is equal to count plus 1. Finally, I'm printing the value of count. That's all. Yes, both the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see the remaining test cases also passed successfully. This is the way how you can able to solve this problem in Python. Okay, any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yeah, so let me go for the next challenge. What we have here is LBP number 64. Observe carefully. So X's and O's nobody knows. A simple program, I think so. Sir, create a function that take a string and check if it has the same number of X's and O's and return either true or false. Okay. Why? Prashant, what is your doubt? Why you uppercase in Java and C? See, that is your wish. If you want, you can take in uppercase. Just in Python, I am writing shortcut. So how easily you can code in Python, I am trying to explain that. But even if you omit the uppercase in Python, yes, happily the code is going to execute. No issues in that. Okay. Just I am trying to say, yes, there is an option. That's all. Prashant. Yeah. Now, sir, we have to create a function that takes a string and we have to check how many X's are there, O's are there. And we have to return either true or false based on these things. What is the first rule? We have to return a Boolean value that should be either true or false. Okay. And return true if the amount of X and O's are same. If number of X's and number of O's are same, then we have to return true. So return false if they are not same count. That means what? If those two are not equal, then we have to return false. And the string can contain any character, not only X and O. You may have any number of values also. When X and O's are not in the string, then also we have to return true. Something like this point are same. So if it is not available, both values should be same. If both values are same, then we have to return true. That's all. Sir, logic is very simple, sir. Don't think too much. Logic is very simple. What is the logic here is, sir, xc, x count is equal to, sir, count number of x's in string. Okay, O count is equal to, sir, count number of O's in string, and we have to print true. We have to print true. So if XC is equal to OC, so then, so print true, else print false. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Please confirm if the logic is clear. I will go with the C language implementation. Please confirm, friends, is the logic is clear for you people? Yes, sir. So let me implement this. So first we have to declare, yes, string is nothing but like this. Then integer, or better to read the data first. So I'm taking scanf. So percentage yes, comma yes, I'm taking. So 1 minute, please wait. So I'm taking yes, then integer I value x count is equal to 0. Sir, O count is equal to 0. Now for each I is equal to 0, s of I plus plus. If s of I is double equal to x, then x count plus plus we have to take. If s of I is double equal to O, then O count plus plus we have to take. So finally we have to return true or false. So I am taking xc is double equal to OC, means then we have to return true. Otherwise we have to return false. That's all. Let me run the code. Yes, both test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. Sir, all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but a C language implementation what we have. So let me go for Java implementation, and let us try to solve this problem in Java. In Java also same scenario, right? So I'm taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. So string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. So integer x count is equal to 0. Sir, O count is equal to 0, and I am taking I. So for I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length. Okay, I plus plus I am taking. Now we have to count how many G's are there. When both are not there, then return true. See, if both are not there, Lokesh, 0 0 will be there. Then it is going to return true only. Clear, Lokesh? So now I am going to check. Sir, if xc, sorry. So s dot char at of I is double equal to, sir, something like x. Then x count plus plus. If s dot char at of I is double equal to O, then O count plus plus I am taking. I think here directly you can print the message saying xc is double equal to OC. Then we are going to get either true or false, right? Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. So let me go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to implement this program in Python. So I'm choosing Python programming. I think here we have count function is there. S is equal to input I am taking. So xc is equal to, sir, I am taking count of x. Then OC is equal to, I am taking count of O. So but in which string? S dot. So here also S dot, and so we have to print true when if xc is equal to oc. So else we have to print false. Let me run the code and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have here. Sir, any doubts in this program? Please confirm. Any doubts in this program? Please confirm. Sir, please, are you there or not? Please respond. So let me go for the next problem. I think next problem is easiest problem only. Shuttering function. So what is this shuttering function? So write a function that shutters a word as if someone is struggling to read it. Sir, the first two letters are repeated twice with an ellipsis and a space after each. I think space is not there here. Okay, space is not there. So then the word is pronounced with a question mark. Okay, with a question mark we have to pronounce the word. Okay, sir, once if you see the sample test cases, then you will get clarity. So nothing is there here. It is an easy program only. Let me go for C language implementation. Yeah, have you observed here? Suppose if input is incredible, then in we have to spell two times and then you have to spell the word. Suppose ABC, only first two characters you have to repeat two times and then you have to print. Sir, nothing is there to explain, just we have to print the first two characters two times. Character, consider s of 100 I am taking, then scanf percentage s comma s I am taking. So printf first character, second character, followed by three dots. Then again first character, second character, followed by three dots. So followed by the total string with the question mark. That's all. So s of 0, comma s of 1, again s of 0, again s of 1, again yes we have to print. Right? Let me run the code. Yes, and submit the code. Like this we have. Now, sir, I want to implement in Java. Let me go for Java implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Java? So in Java, I don't want to go for character by character extraction. I will take a string concept and then I will implement. I mean, a substring concept. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner of system.in. So string s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. Okay. Next and after that system dot out dot println of s dot substring of. So starting from 0th location to 2, if I am taking, it will select the first two characters 0 and 1 plus concatenation operation. So I want to take three dots. Okay. Next and after that the same thing. Next again three dots. Next and after that we have to print yes plus question mark. That's all right. So first two characters, three dots, again first two characters, three dots, and then the string and then question mark. Let me run the code. Beautiful. Let me submit the code. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have in Java. Let me take Python implementation and let us see how you can able to solve in Python. So in Python, I can use, sir, please read the question one more time. Write a function that shutter a word as if someone is struggling to read it. The first two letters are repeated twice with an ellipsis, and then the word is pronounced with question mark. Suppose if the given string is incredible, incredible, like this we have to speak. These three words, these three dots, ellipse in the sense three dots. Last question mark. First two characters are repeated two times. Clear? Now, sir, in the string, I am going to read the complete string. Okay, I am going to read the complete string, which is nothing but yes. In Python, I am implementing. Sir, in Python, so do you know we have F strings are there, formatted strings. So here I am taking what is the first string is nothing but S of 0. Okay. Next and after that, sir, within curly braces, I am taking S of 1. Then followed by 3 dots. Again, same thing we have to repeat, right? Yes. Then we have to print yes and then question mark. Observe carefully. In formatted string, within parenthesis, if you are taking anything, that character will be printed. That character will be printed. Followed by 3 dots. Again A, again B, followed by 3 dots. And then ABC, followed by question mark. This curly braces is called as a replacement operator. Okay. The people who are coming from Python background, they know very well about this. And submit the code. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. Yes. So hope it is very clear for you people how you can able to solve this problem. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this code, sir? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Requesting everyone to respond. Yeah. Sir, that's all about today's session. I will upload the running notes now itself. You can able to watch that particular, you can able to refer these running notes. Okay. Yeah. Sir, thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. So probably tomorrow also I will take at 7 o'clock only, that I will inform you in our group. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You can leave the session now. Thank you guys.